So these are the functions of the skeletal system. There are many functions of the skeletal system, and some of them are to help movement, store minerals, to process blood cells in blood, and to protect all the internal organs inside the body. So the skeletal system can store energy and is made up of bones, cartilages, joints, ligaments, tendons, and other tissues that are connective tissues. So framework and movement are two really important major parts of the skeletal system. Framework helps structure the skeletal system, and movement helps your body move. And here are the links that we use. And these are parts of the skeletal system, and I put a few skeletal systems, parts of the skeletal system, just so some of them are the skull, the vertebrae, and the joints. And the vertebrae is your spine. Joints are where two bones are connected, your ribs, your sternum, and the sternum is the bone in the middle of your chest, the center of your chest. Your upper and lower limbs, aka your arms and your legs. Your tissues, like connective tissues and elastic tissues, for example, and cartilages. And cartilage is the flappy thing on your ear or your nose. The human skeletal system is split into like two important parts. One is called the axial skeleton, and the other part is called the appendicular skeleton. The axial skeleton has 80 bones total. And so in the axial skeleton, there's the skull, the vertebrae, the ribs, and the sternum. Like I said, the sternum is the bone in your chest. And the axial skeleton has 29 bones in your head, 7 associated bones, 6 ossicles. And an ossicle is a bone in the middle, a tiny bone in the middle of your ear, and a hyoid bone, a bone like between your chin and your neck that isn't a horseshoe shape, and 25 bones in the chest, 24 ribs and sternum, and there's 26 bones in the vertebrae. And the appendicular system is made up of limbs and girdles. And so the limbs and girdles are split into 6 parts. Girdles, which has 4 bones, your right and left collarbones, which has 2 shoulder blades with 2 bones, your arms, which has 6 bones, your upper arm bones are 2 with 2 bones, and the ulna has 2 bones, and the radius has 2 bones. And in this picture, you can see that the ulna is the smaller bone closer to your pinky, and the radius is the bigger bone closer to your thumb. Okay, next slide. No. So these are some illnesses that are really major of the skeletal system. One of them is osteogenesis. Osteogenesis imperfecta is one of the millions of bone diseases you can get. So if you have osteogenesis, your bones become very brittle and they can fracture and break very easily. So it appears from this like sickness that causes reproduced production of this protein called collagen. And there are 4 types of this disease, differing in symptoms and severity. Osteomyelitis is another disease that we put on the slideshow, and it is an infection of the bone tissue. It is different from osteogenesis. It is caused by this organism called Staphylococcus aureus, which reaches